Hello again, guys. It's Marvin, JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning in. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. To my new people, click that subscribe button now. I'm always sharing new and exciting information with you guys. Be a part of the Jaguar Top Repair community. I wanted to let you guys know there was a really neat article written about the dreaded green shower repair by Delaware Valley Jaguar Club Vice President Paul Trout. I was featured in that article. It was 2 parts, and I'm going to be posting that as a PDF for you guys to download. This is a pretty serious repair, and I don't want you guys to take it lightly. So I have a lot of experience in the repair. I know there's a lot of misinformation on the Jag forums. You can find instructions, but if you're thinking about doing this on your own, you don't get the calls from all the people who found instructions who get stuck. And boy, oh boy, you know, I've worked on some vehicles where the guy tried to do the repair himself and he just jacked his car up. I had one guy in Tennessee break the frame. This is a repair that should be left for someone who knows what they're doing. And there's a lot of misinformation out there. But anyway, I don't want to talk about that. If you're in need of someone to repair your convertible top, I'm your guy. I give a 5-year warranty on parts and labor. I give you 3 references of guys' cars who I've worked on in the last month or so. I come to you and I have a low price guarantee. There isn't anyone in the country that's going to give you a better price than what I can give you. But anyway, today's video is more about the dreaded green shower repair newsletter that was written by Paul Trout with the Delaware Valley Jaguar Club. I'm going to include that in the description below. You'll be able to download it as a PDF and have a copy of that for your own. Again, if you need to reach me, 888-317-9340. I'll be talking to you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. Come back soon. I got more videos. See you later.